Luke, I am your father.
Hey, Slapperjaws.
Ah.
What are you doing, P?
Preston, what are you doing to that fan?
You eating it?
Huh? Yeah, you like how it makes your voice sound? Ah! Say, Luke, I am your father.
You're silly. I'm changing the mood with your teeth.
What you doing there, buddy?
P-Man.
Preston. Psst. Preston. He's in his zone.
Hey, Slapperjaws.
Good thing my dad got us a child-proof version. Except for I'm not sure about the buttons on top.
Oh, where's the door?
You want to lock us in here, huh, bud?
Hi, P. Where's the fan? Fan?
You checking out that slobber you just flung down there? Oh.
Oh, spit face.
You picking it up, making sure you get all that good stuff back in there?
Yeah. What you doing, you silly goose?
Are you slobbering all over my new fan?
Ah.
I know, it's hot in here.
That feel good. Oh, careful. Where's your chair?
Where you going, buddy?
Where's your cubby bear? Where's your cubby bear? Cubby bear. In your chair. Go get him. Go get him. It's like I'm not sure what that is. So, see that tree out there, cottonwood. Oh, is that your monkey?
Ah.
Ooh, ooh, ah, ah.
Are you swinging around like a helicopter? What you doing there, bud?
Crazy man. Relaxing.
What's wrong? You doing some gymnastics down there?
Is that your monkey man?
Boom! Whoa!
Where's the big, oh, there's the blue bear. Boom! Boom!
You're just flinging that thing around, huh? Good stuff. Just hanging out in the office. Another tough day at work.